Welcome to Giang Mystery Hub. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover a cosmic anomaly that rewrites our history. Deep in the vastness of space, there lies a structure so colossal that its very existence should be mathematically impossible. For a long time, scientists believed the universe was like a calm ocean, smooth and uniform in every single direction. This idea is called the Cosmological Principle. It states that on a grand scale, matter is distributed evenly throughout space. This principle has been the bedrock of modern astronomy, guiding our models and helping us understand the evolution of everything. But what happens when we look deeper and find something that shatters this perfect image of a smooth, uniform universe? Recent discoveries have revealed monstrous structures hiding in the dark, structures that are far too large to exist by chance. These cosmic giants are not just random clusters. They are organized patterns that challenge our fundamental laws of physics and reality. We are talking about the Big Ring, a structure so immense that it forces us to question everything we know. The story begins with Alexia Lopez, a PhD student at the University of Central Lancashire, who noticed something very strange. While analyzing data from distant quasars, she stumbled upon a pattern of galaxies that formed a gigantic, perfect ring shape. This was not a small cluster. This structure spans an incredible diameter of 1.3 billion light-years across. If you could see it with your naked eye, it would appear 15 times larger than the full moon tonight. According to current cosmological calculations, structures larger than 1.2 billion light-years simply should not exist in theory. Located over 9 billion light-years away, this structure is a relic from a time when the universe was younger. Its sheer size suggests that our standard model of cosmology might be missing a crucial piece of the cosmic puzzle. When Lopez presented her findings, the scientific community was stunned. How could something this massive hide in plain sight forever? The discovery was made not by seeing the galaxies directly, but by observing the shadows they cast on distant light. Lopez analyzed the light from quasars and looked for magnesium-II, an element found in the gas halos of distant galaxies. By mapping these absorption spots, she reconstructed a three-dimensional map of invisible matter, revealing the ghostly shape of the ring. It is similar to using an X-ray machine. We cannot see the object directly, but we see its internal structure clearly. Further analysis showed the ring is coil-shaped, like a corkscrew, aligned face-on, so it appears circular from our perspective. But the mystery deepens. Just a few years earlier, Lopez had discovered another massive structure nearby, called the Giant Arc. These two behemoths are cosmological neighbors, sitting at the same distance and existing in the same epoch of cosmic time. The statistical probability of two such huge structures existing so close together by random chance is vanishingly small to calculate. This suggests a mechanism at work in the early universe that we have completely overlooked in our standard cosmological models. So, what could create such a monster? The first major hypothesis involves theoretical defects known as cosmic strings. Imagine water freezing into ice. Cracks form where the crystals do not align. Cosmic strings are cracks in space-time. These topological defects, formed after the Big Bang, could act as seeds, gathering matter to form massive galaxy walls. If a cosmic string formed a closed loop, it could sculpt galaxies into the gigantic ring shape we observe today. However, there is another, more radical explanation, proposed by Nobel laureate Roger Penrose: Conformal Cyclic Cosmology, or CCC. Penrose suggests that our universe is just one in an infinite series of universes, born from the ashes of predecessors. According to this theory, the Big Ring might be a scar, or an imprint left over from a previous aeon. Colossal black hole collisions in the last universe could have released energy that shaped matter in our current Big Bang. If this is true, we are not looking at a random structure, but a fossil record from a dead universe. But there is a third possibility, one that science fiction writers love, but scientists are forced to consider with caution. Could the Big Ring be an artificial construction? A mega project built by a civilization far more advanced than humanity? On the Kardashev scale, a Type 3 civilization has the power to control the energy of an entire galaxy. Such a civilization could theoretically rearrange stars and galaxies to build structures for energy harvesting or cosmic communication. While highly speculative, we cannot completely rule out astro-engineering when nature fails to provide a simple, logical explanation. Regardless of its origin, the existence of the Big Ring forces us to rethink the standard model of cosmology. The cosmological principle, the idea that the universe is simple and smooth, is cracking under the weight of this data. We are entering a new era of astronomy, where big data reveals patterns that our eyes and old theories missed. Future missions, like the Euclid telescope, will map billions of galaxies, likely revealing even more of these impossible giants. If we find more structures like the Big Ring, we may have to accept that the universe is not random. It might be a complex, interconnected organism with a history and structure that we are only just beginning to see. Discoveries like this remind us that science is not a finished book, but a mystery novel with missing pages. As we look out into the dark, we must be ready to abandon our old assumptions and embrace the unknown. The Big Ring stands as a silent sentinel, a challenge to human intellect, waiting for us to solve its riddle. Perhaps the universe is not a smooth ocean, but a turbulent sea filled with monsters and miracles waiting for us. What do you think created this structure? Was it a cosmic defect, a past universe, or something even more strange? Let us know your theories in the comments below. We read every single one to find the best ideas. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the unknown, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Join us next time as we explore a black hole that seems to be older than the universe itself. Until then, keep looking up at the stars and never stop questioning the reality that surrounds you every day. The universe is vast, and we are just beginning to open our eyes to its true and terrifying scale. Let us take a moment to reflect. If the universe has a structure, does it imply a purpose or design? We often feel insignificant, but our ability to detect these structures proves the immense power of the human mind. Every great discovery starts with a simple observation, a curious mind, and the courage to challenge the established rules. Mathematics is the language we use to speak to the universe, and sometimes the universe speaks back with riddles. Whether it is strings, cycles, or civilizations, the Big Ring is a key that unlocks a new door. We continue to listen, to watch, and to analyze, hoping that one day the full picture will emerge clearly. Time is on our side. With every passing year, our technology improves, bringing the distant edges of space closer. The students of today will be the ones to solve the mysteries of the Big Ring in the future. Beauty and mystery are intertwined. The more we understand, the more beautiful the universe becomes to our eyes. From our small blue planet, we reach out to touch the giants, proving that we are explorers by nature. The patterns in the sky have guided us for millennia, and they continue to guide us to new truths. Imagine floating there, seeing the structure with your own eyes, realizing the scale of reality versus our lives. A new dawn is breaking in cosmology. The smooth universe is gone, replaced by a complex, textured, and exciting reality. We have covered a lot today, from the cosmological principle to the edges of science fiction and advanced alien life. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us on this journey through the impossible structures of deep space. Share this video with a friend who loves astronomy. Let's build a community of curious minds together right here. This has been a presentation by Giang Mystery Hub, your home for the most profound mysteries in the universe. Stay curious, stay skeptical, and always keep looking for the answers that lie hidden in the dark. Thank you for watching Giang Mystery Hub. If this mystery intrigued you, please subscribe and join us for the next discovery.